Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the laptop model and serial so you know which generation checks apply. Once done, collect ownership documents and any IT credentials. This prevents interruptions. You should also inspect power and battery health briefly and plug in a charged battery to avoid shutdowns during tests. Make sure any external drives or dongles needed for diagnostics are on hand. These actions save time later and let you move straight into firmware and hardware verification without backtracking. Now you execute firmware updates and targeted diagnostics to validate generation-specific components. Start with the BIOS or UEFI update, since microcode differences often distinguish generations. Do this before stress testing. Next, run CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage tests using vendor or trusted tools and record temperatures and error logs. While diagnostics run, review Device Manager or System Profiler for driver mismatches. Address any flagged firmware driver gaps. These steps prove functional health and identify parts that need attention. To finish, you compile test results, record firmware and driver versions, and tag the unit with its verified generation. Once documented, either apply a clean OS image or note exceptions for future use. This ensures consistency across inventory. If you encounter persistent failures, first reseat or swap suspect components like RAM or storage, then rerun diagnostics. If problems remain, escalate to vendor support or initiate an RMA with the failure logs attached. This single troubleshooting tip saves time when hardware faults are ambiguous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.